In this performance chart, we see several airflow measurement devices that were installed on an office building air handler in Connecticut. Competitors A and B are thermal dispersion technologies and were professionally installed and calibrated by a third party. In the chart, we see the airflow during several different damper positions as we are modulating from mostly open to open down to mostly closed. In the left-hand side of the chart, where the damper is mostly open, we see the airflows track on the same relative trend line. This would be during a period of higher velocities. Competitors A and B are following the same relative trend line as the ASHRAE 111 standard, although they are producing higher than proper measurements. The KMC AFMS is following the ASHRAE 111 standard closely. When the damper is modulated down, we see very low air volumes and air velocities going through the outdoor air damper. When this happens, the ASHRAE 111 standard temperature measurement falls to a lower airflow value. The KMC AFMS measurement tracks this closely. When the damper is at these low airflow values, we see competitor A establish a false floor several thousand CFM higher than the actual airflow value. This overestimation in measurement would lead to underventilation and a sick building. For competitor B, we're seeing no or erratic measurement that's under the ASHRAE 111 equation, and this will lead to overventilation and a waste of energy. In the next performance chart, we see the same installation, however it's during a period of inclement weather, with rain and sleet complicating the measurement. Being that competitors A and B are thermal dispersion technologies, any moisture is going to affect the heat transfer that these sensors are measuring, giving measurements of flows that are higher than actual. And as we see in this chart, these flows are higher than actual and have very erratic readings as moisture impacts these sensors. We also see some reaction to moisture in the ASHRAE 111 equation, as these are temperature-based measurements that are also affected by extreme moisture. The measurement of the airflow by the KMC AFMS remains steady as temperature is not required to produce this measurement. This is why the KMC AFMS is the most reliable solution for a healthy, sustainable building.